It's my turn to deal.
Nothing like a glass of Chateauneuf, eh, Barnaby?
You can say that again, Allegra.
Who'd have thought 30 years ago that we'd be sitting here drinking Chateau de Chasselas, eh?
Oh, back in those days, we were glad to have the price of a cup of tea.
A cup of cold tea?
We have milk and sugar.
Or tea. How about a cracked cup?
Oh, I never had a cracked cup. All I got was a rolled up piece of newspaper.
The best way you could manage was to suck on a piece of dead cloth.
I know, but we were so happy back in those days, weren't we? Even though we were poor.
It was because we were poor. My old dad, oh bless him, he used to say to me, money doesn't buy you happiness.
True.
You were right there and all. I was happy back in the day. And I've got notes. Used to live in a little house with a great big hole in the roof.
House? You were lucky to live in a house. All we had was one room. All 26 of us. No furniture. Half the floor was missing, so we had in one corner for fear of falling.
Ooh, room. You were so lucky to have a room. We used to have to live in a corridor.
A corridor?
Yeah.
Oh, I used to dream about living in a corridor. Oh, that would have been a palace to us. Oh, we lived in an old water tank on the top of a tip. Oh, and we used to get woken up every morning by having rotten fish dumped all over us. Oh, that house.
When I said house, I didn't mean house. I meant a hole in the road with a tarpaulin should go at top. And we called it our house.
Well?
Oh, well, we were evicted from our home on the ground, and we had to go live in the lake.
Oh, you were lucky to have a lake. There were over 150 of us in a shoebox in the middle of the road.
Was it cardboard box?
Yeah.
You were lucky. We had to live for 3 months in a rolled up newspaper in a septic tank. It's done my head in that. We used to get up at 6 every morning, clean out the rolled up newspaper, eat a dry crust of stale bread, and then off to work in the mill. 14 hours a day, week in, week out, for 6 pence a day. And then when we got home, my dad used to thrash us to sleep with his belt.
Luxury. We used to have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning from the lake, and then clean the lake, and then we had a mouthful of hot gravel.
I say.
And then we went to work at the mill for 20 hours a day for only 2pence a month. When we get home, Dad rushes round the head and nick with a broken bottle. If we were lucky.
Paradise. We had it tough. I used to have to get out of the shoebox at midnight, lick the road clean, eat bits of cold gravel, and then work 23 hours a day for 1 pence a week for 4 years. And then, when I got home, my dad had cut us in half with a bread knife.
Right. We used to get up in the morning at 10:30 at night, half an hour before we went to bed. We'd eat a lump of poison, work 29 hours a day at mill, and beg the mill owner for permission to come to work. And when we got home,
Pull yourself together.
when we got home, my dad had strangled us and danced on his grave.
Now then, you just try telling that to the young people of today.
No.
And will they believe you? No.
Now that be probably your All caps are in the table.
Oh dear, well, you deserve it.
You've worked so hard, thank you, honestly.
Thank you for making us so well
Yeah.
for looking after
Really
us.
brilliant.
That was brilliant.
If I died tomorrow, which I could, I was very, very happy.
Thank you.